Hi, it's Sue from the Learn with Sue channel, and today I just wanted to give you a quick Canva tip about working with the layer panel inside of Canva. So I'm customizing these affirmation cards and I want to change out this background. And when you click on it, I can't reach it. So I would have to literally move this to get to the image and then switch it out. So what I have done is I'll show you the easy way to do this. So this is the card that I want to work with, and I'm going to highlight it so I get this top bar, and then I'm going to click on the position, and then now I can see this is where the image that I want to delete is. So I click on the three dots here and I'm just going to delete this one. Now I already did the image first. What I did here, I just did a copy and paste, so I'm just going to continue pasting here, and now I have my image, but it's at the front. So while I'm still in this layer panel, I just literally drag it down to where I want it to be, and now this square here is my transparency layer. So I would click on this and then I'll come into transparency and I'm just going to adjust it. So you can see here is full and I just want it to be very faint in the background. So I'm going to put it about 83 there. So that's what I did on this one. And then I would just continue. So I just go down to the next one. Here the layer panel is still showing for me. So click on this, delete it, do a paste on here. Just drag it down to where you want it to be, go back to the transparency layer and adjust the transparency in here. And then if you had to do anything else, if you wanted to, change out certain words, you can do everything from this panel without going back and forth. So it's just a time saver for you. And then you can have everything changed here as well. Colors, colors will change across the document. The only thing that doesn't change is when you want to go from the different styles on the stroke weight. You have to do that on each slide. But I just wanted to show you the layer panel because it really has sped up the time in creating this for me, because I want to put this into a bundle, and I just wanted to share that tip with you. So again, this was Sue from the Learn with Sue channel, and I hope that helped. Thanks.